Okay, so that's where I dropped the bike. I was coming around that corner way too fast, second gear. Couldn't make this right here. So I was like, you can see all that loose stuff that I was in there, but that's what I was headed for. So I was headed to get, if I would have went off that all into here, it would have been all over. You know, you could probably, I could have, if I would have made that right there, that's not a problem coming down through here, but I was headed for that. Again, way too fast around the corner. By the time I realized where I was, I thought this turn was going more that way. I was in that loose stuff right there, screeching to a halt. But that's what I was going to end up going over otherwise. Even if I went over right there and into all this stuff right here, that wouldn't have been a good thing. Solis. Went down there with Ted. What a gorgeous morning. What a perfect day. Ouch. That was a cacti in my Barkbusters. Yeah, that almost got both me and Ted last time. It's deceiving. I think we'll stop up here and smell some roses.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
Fresno Campsites, we went down there with Ted. We'll link that. Gold colors mixed in with the tans. And then you got the chisos behind you, still smoldering. glad I was able to get up there before that happened. I was planning on going up there tomorrow and exploring that area, but it looks like that's not going to happen. This is going to need time to heal. Yeah, just starting to bloom. But these guys, they're seen all over the park now that are just starting to bloom. There's still quite a few that haven't or expired, one or the other. It looks actually, those look like they expired. So this one has done, it's on its way out. This one still has a few buds still coming up. Real nice. They're spiny little things. Definitely don't want to run into one of those. Yeah, it looks like this one's all getting ready to open up. It's hard to tell. That looks like the gap at Castellone, you know, where it goes between the canyons there. Iron butterfly. Okay, Black Gap. That's the tough one. And I don't think I'm going to be doing this with this bike. Definitely not alone. But there she be. Castellone. That's where we're headed. Castellone. Be nice if they put mileage there. Like, you know, 40 miles to Castellone or whatever. So that's Talley. We went down with Talley with Ted. I don't recognize this, so this is all new territory for me. This is the second half of the ride. Bunny rabbit. That one's some big ears on that guy. The ones at our campsite have tiny little ears. Oh, cool. All these guys are blooming right now. And we've dropped down to 81, so this is a cool area over here.
Let me know, do you feel me too? Let it show, 'cause babe, I'm into you. We've been on and off, in and out, up and down.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any smoke coming from Chisos unless it's too far over there, but I think they got it out. I think it's smoldering right now and they've got it under control. That's awesome. That's Castellone right over there. You can see the canyon. Gorgeous. It's like a hawk over there. He's scoping out a rabbit. Dominguez Trailhead. Supposed to be a campsite off here, unless that's further down, and this is just the trailhead. This must be the trailhead, 7-mile loop. So this must be the camp. Dominguez, Camp 1. It's kind of out here, so I don't know. Good iron butterfly. You powered right up that, no problem. Alright, so that was Dominguez. Jules Camp. Let's go check that out. I think these are all on their way out. These cactus, as far as they're blooming, they've done their thing. I was told they don't last long, and that we got here just at the right time when me and Ted went. We saw a really good patch of them. Yeah, I think these are on their way out. That one's a pretty one. That's what they look like when they're in full bloom, that big yellow flower. We'll see how far this goes. We don't want to get too far off of our course here. I don't see this one on the map.